Huge news from the Supreme Court today. The justices preserved telemedicine access to medication abortion in an emergency order, which means that providers can still prescribe and mail abortion pills to patients in all 50 states. But there were two seething dissents, with one justice suggesting that abortion providers should be prosecuted and thrown in prison for their criminal enterprise. The Supreme Court halted a decision by the far-right Fifth Circuit that had issued a nationwide ban on mailing mifepristone, the first drug in a medication abortion. That ban had been a huge blow to reproductive freedom, especially in states that ban abortion, whose residents rely on providers in other states to prescribe and mail the pills. Thanks to today's ruling, those providers can keep serving patients throughout the country. For now. But there is trouble ahead. For one, Justice Clarence Thomas wrote a dissent arguing that mailing abortion pills is a federal felony that violates the Comstock Act of 1873, a Victorian law designed to censor obscene materials in the mail. He wrote that abortion providers constitute a criminal enterprise who should be charged and imprisoned for mailing abortion pills rather than granted relief by the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, Justice Samuel Alito complained that blue states are undermining his decision overturning Roe v. Wade by allowing their providers to mail abortion pills into red states. He also suggested that those providers are facilitating felony offenses. Now, the Trump administration has so far refrained from prosecuting abortion providers under the Comstock Act because it knows that would be political suicide. But it is undertaking a review of mifepristone and is reportedly planning to restrict its use after the 2026 midterm elections when there will be less blowback for Republicans. The FDA is reportedly planning to end telehealth abortion and to prohibit the mailing of abortion pills, among other possible limitations. So this battle is far from over, and the big win that reproductive rights advocates just secured at the Supreme Court may well be undone by the Trump administration as soon as November.